Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, students. We have to start exercise 6A. We have done question number 1, question 2, and question 3. First part. Today we have to start from question number 3, B part. Topic is algebraic fraction. Got it? Now we start question number 3, part B. B part is c square plus 2cd minus 15d square divided by 4c square plus 20cd. C square plus 2cd minus 15d square divide 4c square plus 20cd. This is question. Okay, in numerator there is quadratic expression and numerator is also quadratic expression. Got it? In numerator there are 3 terms. First term is c square, second term is plus 2cd, and last term is minus 15d square. Now we factorize the numerator. Okay, we factorize this numerator. Factorize mean the constant of first value and the constant of last value. We multiply by these constant, just like you also have learned in previous chapter. 1 multiplied by 15, this is the first step. 1 multiplied by 15, we get 15. Multiply by first and last term. Multiply by constant of first and last term. 1 multiplied by 15 equal to 15. Okay, now we make the factor of 15. अब हम 15 के factors बनाएंगे. This is the second step. Just like 1 multiplied by 15 equal to 15, 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15, and 5 multiplied by 3 equal to 15 is same. Okay, third step is when we add and subtract these factors, हम इन्हीं factors को या आपस में add कर देंगे या subtract कर देंगे, then we get the middle value. Got it? फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया कि हमने फर्स्ट वैल्यू और जो लास्ट वैल्यू इसके कॉन्स्टेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, then we get 15. Got it? Now we make the factor of 15, just like 1 multiplied by 15 equal to 15, 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. Got it? Now we add or subtract, it's your choice. We add or subtract these factors, then we get the middle value. Middle value is plus 2. It's mean we have to require plus 2. Got it? If we subtract these values, just like 5 minus 3, then we get plus 2. Is correct. If we write here just like 3 minus 5, then we get minus 2. But we have to require plus 2, not minus 2. That's why we use this factor. It means this is right and this is not right. Got it? We have to require plus 2. Okay, you also follow sign. Got it? There is plus 2. That's why we do 5 minus 3 equal to plus 2. It means factors are 5 minus 3. Okay, now you come on question. First you write solution, then you put equal sign. Okay, first value as it is c square, and the last value is as it is minus 15d square. Okay, what are the factors? 5 minus 3, okay, plus 5 and minus 3. We get plus 2. Okay, plus 2 के साथ कौन सा हमारे पास वेरिएबल है? cd. That's why we write here cd and cd. Got it? This is the factorization. Because there is cd, that's why we write here cd and cd with 5 and minus 3. Got it? Now come on denominator. Denominator is, now we take common 4 in denominator, because there is 4 and there is 20. 4 1 da 4, 4 5 da 20. Okay, now you come on variable. There is c square and there is single c. That's why we also take common variable c, because there is c and there is also c. Okay, 4 is common and there is c square. It means c is 2 times. One time we take common and one time we write in bracket. Got it? Now plus 4 5 the 20. 4 5 the 20. This is C. We take common C, that's why we can't return here. Okay, now this D is as it is because we can't take common D. Okay, now you come on next step. C square plus 5D minus 3CD plus 15D square. We make the pairs. Okay, we make two pairs just like C square plus 5CD. There is minus, that's why we write minus here. If there is plus sign, then we write plus here. Now here there is minus sign, that's why we write minus here. Okay, CD. Also remember, when we take common minus, then inner sign of the bracket will be changed. जब भी बाहर माइनस कॉमन आएगा तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर का साइन हम चेंज करेंगे. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन था, that's why it's convert into plus sign. Got it? If there is plus sign, then it convert into minus sign. When we take common minus, then the sign of bracket will be changed. 15D square. Now 4C C plus 5D as it is. Got it? Now we take common. Okay, which value is common in both terms? C and C is common. What is the remaining? There is C square, one time is common, one time right here. Got it? 5 C common था, नहीं है तो लिखेंगे D as it is. Okay, minus. Now we take common. First you see constant, just like 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15. We write 3. And also variable D and D square. There is C and there is not C. That's why we can't return in common. Now we write D. Okay, what is the remaining? C plus 3 3 5 the 15. There is 2 times, one time is common and one time with 5. Okay, 4C plus C plus 5D as it is. Okay, this is the rule of factorization. If the values of brackets are same, then factorization is correct. These are brackets, C plus 5D and C plus 5D. These are same, it's mean our factorization is correct. This is the rule of factorization. This is how to check factorization is wrong or correct. If the brackets values are same, also signs are same, then factorization is correct. We take correct factor. We choose correct factor to solve this question. Okay, now these brackets are same, that's why we write one time C plus 5D. Okay, what are the common values? C minus 3D, C minus 3D, C minus 3D. Okay, and 4C, C plus 5D as it is. Any problem? Now C plus 5D and C plus 5D are same, that's why they are cancelled to each other. What is the answer? C minus 3D and 4C. This is your answer. Okay, after this I will tell you about E part. E part is K square minus 9 divided by K square minus 7K plus 21. Okay, in numerator we use formula we also learned this formula in previous question. A square minus B square equal to A plus B, A minus B. Okay, this value write into two times, first time with plus and second time with minus. Okay, now you come on denominator. We use factorization. First you write solution, then you put equal sign. K square minus 9 square is also written, 9 is also written as 3 square, because 3 multiplied by 3 we get 9. Okay, now we solve denominator by factorization. Okay, first rule is there is no constant, it means there is one constant and there is 21. There is one constant multiplied by and there is 21. 1 multiplied by 21 we get 21. Okay, now we make factor of 21. First we multiply by constant of first value and last value, then we get 21. Okay, now we make the factor of 21. 1 multiplied by 21, we get 21, and 3 7 that 21, and 7 3 that 21 is same, and just enough. Okay, now you come on third step. When we add or subtract these factors, then we get -7. There is -7. -7 is the middle value. When we add or subtract these factors, then we get -7. Sorry, this is 12. This is 12. 1 multiplied by 12, then we get 12. Got it? And 4, this is 4 3 that 12, 3 4 that 12, and 4 3 that 12 is same. This is 12. Okay, 1 multiplied by 12, we get 12, and 3 multiplied by 4, we get 12. Okay, there is 12, no 21, sorry. 1 multiplied by 12, we get 1 multiplied by 12, we get 12. Now we make the factor of 12, to 3 4 that 12. When we add or subtract these factors, then we get -7. Okay, if we solve -3 -4, then we get minus minus plus, then we get -7. Got it? We make the factor of -3 and -4, then we get -7, because the middle value is -7. Okay, now first value k square and the last value plus 12 as it is. Okay, what are the factor of -7, -3 and -4? -3 and -4. Okay, there is k, that's why we also written, and we also written k. Got it? Now we open this formula. Okay, numerator solved by this formula. Okay, just like this is a and this is b. A square minus b square. This is a and this is b. A square minus b square. We write this value with plus sign and then we minus sign. Just like k plus 3. इसी वैल्यू को एक दफ़ा प्लस के साथ लिख देंगे और एक दफ़ा माइनस के साथ लिख देंगे. देन फॉर्मूला ओपन हो जाएगा. ओके. Okay, now in denominator we make the pair just like this one, k square minus 3k. Here there is minus sign, that's why we take common minus 4k minus 12. There is minus sign, that's why we take common minus, that's why inner side will be reversed. There is plus sign, that's why we will put minus. Got it? Now we take common k plus 3 and k minus 3 as it is. Now we take common. There is k square and there is minus 3k. Now we take common k. Okay, what is k minus 3 as it is, because k is common, minus here 4 is common, 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12. K minus 3, because 4 3 the 12. Okay, 4 is common. Now brackets value are same, its mean of factorization is correct. Upper value is as it is, k plus 3 and k minus 3, and denominator is these are same, that's why we write just only one time, and the common value k minus 4 as it is. Okay, now you saw numerator and denominator, there are same k minus 3 and k minus 3. These are cancelled to each other. What is the remaining value? K plus 3 and k minus 4. This is your answer. Okay, k plus 3 and k minus 3, these are common, k minus 4, these are common value, k minus 4, we write here k minus 4, and these are same k minus 3, k minus 3, that's why we write just only one time, and k minus 3 and k minus 3 are cancelled to each other. What are the remaining value? K plus 3 divide k minus 4. This is your answer. Okay. Okay class, after this I will tell you about f part. F part is mk plus 8k divide m square plus 4m minus 32. This is f part. Okay, now first you write solution, then you put equal sign. Now we take common k from numerator. This is k and this is also k, that's why we take common. Inner value is m plus k. Okay, now you come on denominator. We solve the denominator by factorization. There is 1 and there is 32. So first step is 1 multiplied by 32, we get 32. Now you come on second step. Second step is now we make the factor of 32, just like 1 multiplied by 32 equal to 32, and 2 multiplied by 16 no just you direct write 4 multiplied by 8, then we get 32. Okay, 4 multiplied by 8 we get 32. In the next step, when we subtract this, then we get plus 4, just like 8 minus 4, then we get plus 4 by these factors. 8 minus 4, when we write as 4 minus 8, then we get minus 4, but we just required plus 4, not minus 4. That's why we use these factors. Okay, 8 minus 4. Okay, first value m square minus 32, last value as it is. What are the factors? 8 minus 4 plus 8 minus 4. Okay, what is the variable with 4m? M and m. Got it? K m plus 8 as it is. Now we make the pairs. M squared plus 8m minus 4m plus 32. Okay, K m plus 8 as it is. Now we take common from first bracket. There is m square and there is m. Okay, now we take common m plus 8, because m is common, that's why 8 is single, minus we take common 4, for 1 the 4, for 8 the 32. Okay, m as it is, plus 4 8 the 32. Got it? Now these brackets are same, it means factorization is correct. K m plus 8 divide m plus 8, these are same, that's why we write first time one time, and m minus 4 are the common values, m minus 4. Okay, now m plus 8 are cancelled to each other. Answer is k divide m minus 4. Is too much easy and too much simple. Now question number 3, C and D part is each word. After this, now you come on question number 4. Question number 4 is also so simple. Simplify each of the following. Okay, now there are two algebraic fractions and there is multiply sign between two algebraic fractions. Okay, we solve B and D part. Okay, B part is, A part is so simple, that's why I will tell you about B part. B part is simplify each of the following. We also simplify these expressions. C minus D multiply by 2C minus 2D divide 8C plus 8D. This is too much simple. These are two fractions. This is first fraction, this is second fraction, and between two fractions there is multiply sign. Okay, first you write solution. This one is as it is, 3C plus D as it is, and C minus D as it is. Multiply by, we take common 2, because 2 is same in both terms. When we take common 2, the remaining value is C minus D. C minus D. And we take common 8. When we take common, then the remaining value in the bracket is C plus D. Got it? C plus D. Any problem? Okay, now we can't. Okay, now we cancel C plus D and C plus 2D. Okay, and C minus D and C minus D, they are cancelled to each other. What is the remaining? 3 multiplied by 2 by 8. C plus D cancel with C plus D, and C minus D with cancel C minus D. What are the remaining value after cancellation? 3 multiplied by 2 by 8. Now 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. 3 multiplied by 1 by 4. Answer is 3 1 the 3 divide 4. This one. 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. What are the remaining? 1 by 4. 3 multiplied by 1 3 divided by 4. These are can't further cancel to each other, that's why 3 by 4 is answer. It's too much easy and simple. Now I tell you about D part. Part D is 8 cube divided by 6 c plus d divide 3c square divide 3c plus 3d. Okay, now this is division sign between two algebraic fractions. Okay, firstly we convert division sign into multiply sign. How we convert division sign into multiply by sign? We take reciprocal. Reciprocal mean numerator convert into denominator and denominator convert into numerator. Numerator convert into denominator and denominator convert into numerator. Okay, we reverse this fraction. When we convert division sign into multiply by sign, then value will be reversed. Got it? Now 8c cube as it is, 6c plus d multiply by, we take common 3. What are the remaining? C plus d. Okay, 3c square as it is. Now c plus d and c plus d are cancelled, and this is c cube and this is c square. These are also cancelled, and remaining power is 1. 8c, because there is c cube and there is c square, that's why 1c is remaining. After cancellation, 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 3. Now 3 and 3 also cancel. Got it? 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8. What are the remaining? 4c divide 3, 4c divide 3 multiply 1 divide 1. Answer is 4c divided by 3. This is your answer. Okay, just like here, 4c divide 3. This is your answer. Okay, now question number 4, A and C part H work. This is just like same B and D part. Okay, in also C part we reverse this sign into this sign, division sign convert into multiply by sign, then this fraction will be reversed, this fraction. Okay, this is your answer.